Apple has revealed a new color of iPhone.
Banana.
And is that, they're not calling that banana. How dare you? It is banana-ish. It got mixed reviews from people. I saw on social media, people were like, that ain't it. That ain't the right yellow. I don't know. I obviously I do videos on all these colors, but I never buy the colorful ones. So I find it's hard for me to determine which is the superior color once you decide you're going to get a certain color.
But do you think it should be like more vibrant?
Like the red or something?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know, man.
They can always get a case.
I don't know. I mean, they can get a case. You see the whole frame is also yellow. I think they were trying to match it better with what they were able to do on the anodized portion.
Sure.
Because my guess is you can't really make the frame super potent yellow. So you try to match it up a little bit. Whereas in the red, it looks like it's maybe more achievable. I don't know. We did have yellow before, all the way back on the iPhone XR, which was in 2018. Man, remember that phone? Apple's releasing a new yellow colorway for the iPhone 14. The new yellow adds a nice pop of color, according to The Verge. Apple also released several new spring-themed watch band colors. It's a spring thing, yellow in the spring. The little, what is it? The little chick, the fuzzy chick. It's like the thing that always bothered me since I was a kid, which was the egg, the Cadbury egg, which is.
What about it?
Well, it's a rabbit, but
okay.
but it's an egg.
Okay.
What do you mean? You never thought about this? The Cadbury egg.
You hunt for eggs, Easter, that kind of.
No, you got a rabbit, but the rabbit's going. Buck, 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 buck. It's a rabbit though. And then they're just trying to mess with you. And that's how it works. That's how they're getting...
High-level trolling.
Yeah, that's how they're getting your attention. They're like, there's the Easter bunny, but the eggs... You know the one I'm talking about? It has like the fake sugar egg yolk inside, but chocolate on the outside?
Yeah.
The Cadbury cream egg.
Yep.
Is what I'm talking about. So they got the rabbit, but it's the chicken.
Delicious, though. Pure sugar.
Look at that pure sugar right there. Yeah. They don't really advertise it as much as they used to, but Cadbury's good chocolate as well. Just, I'm into the chocolate. They did a McFlurry, a Cadbury cream egg McFlurry at one time as well. So we have some new silicone cases as well to add to the theme, the Easter theme. They have that pale sort of yellow in there. Also, look at it. There you go. New. It's new. And they've been doing this more frequently now. They put out a new color at a later date. And for those that were holding off, it's canary yellow, not banana yellow. So canary yellow, not little chick yellow, canary yellow. Canary in the coal mine.
Okay.